Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Visual Studio Code not running. This is a very common it's not like a problem. Let me show you how you can fix this. Let me just close all of this here. Okay, so first you want to just click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on this gear icon at the very bottom left. Then click on settings. Now after that you want to click on here in the top right. You can see here search settings. You just need to search for code runner. Okay, so after that you want to search here for run in terminal. Let's search for it. This is it. Okay, code runner run in terminal. Just check this. It's going to be unchecked. Click on this box. Okay, check it. Also make sure it's checked here. Code runner respect shebang. Just check this. Okay, that's it. Now if you cannot find this code runner here, you want to click on extensions and then search for code runner. You want to download it first. Okay, just go and install it. Okay, just click on install. Now go back to the same settings, gear icon at the very bottom. Click on settings, then click on search for code runner, and then make sure you toggle this on, run in terminal. So that's all you need to do. I'm going to click on new terminal, and you can then start working. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.